it is a serious time that is happening with the pandemic and everything. Stocks are at an all-time high right now. So compared to last year, all right, let's put it like this. Compared to 2008, which was a stock crash, I forget the exact numbers, but we weren't doing too well. We were doing at like positive 8%, or let's say 8%. And 2019, we're up like 20%. And 2020, we're up like 30 to 40%. We are going to have a market crash. So, if you are invested in some stocks, make sure they are crash proof. And it's very hard to indicate what is crash proof and what isn't. People will put a lot of money into Tesla and think that's crash proof, but in reality, that stock is very unstable. A few stocks to look out for. I ended up doing some research. Beyond Meat is a good one that's going to continue to thrive and prosper as they continue to expand their line in food. Dropbox is another one that I've actually been getting a lot of return as of like these last 3 days. Made like I think I made like $50 in Dropbox over these last 3 days.
Hey, hell yeah.
Apple is gonna continue to thrive. People are gonna continue to buy Apple products. People are gonna continue like people right now have I feel like PC is mainstream and eventually it's gonna be Mac that they're gonna start switching over to. I mean, I know right now it's mainly tablets and iPhones, but there is that market for PCs. Google is another one. Google slash Amazon. They're both really good ones. They keep growing and keep doing new things. They got a bunch of stuff that they do from their market, their Audible, their different. They got like 10 different things that they monetize from. And the last one is Masco, Masco, and they're actually the owner of Bear Paint, that the Home
Oh, the
Depot
bear
paint.
painting? Hell yeah.
Yeah, that they're a lot of people they're renovating their homes, they're buying paint, so that's another good one that it's a little more affordable and you can also buy it. So those are a few stocks that they're kind of crash proof. I'm not saying that if we go through a stock that they're gonna completely save you from like avoiding the crash, but if they do get hit, it's not gonna be as bad as Walgreens or different stocks that more publicly people use
Yeah.
and that they depend on like the public consumers. Quick, Lil Wayne ended up selling all his masters
Yeah, I seen that.
to Universal for
Easy
$100 million.
money.
You think his all the music that he made is worth a
That's not
hundred
all I don't
m's?
think all the music. It's not none of the mixtapes, right? It's just everything under a label. He still got
I
Nicki, he
mean,
still
but
got
all
Drake.
bro, I would sell Lollipop by itself for 100 m's.
I don't know, bro. I don't think I mean, fuck
Like
it.
all right, all right. Let's put it in perspective.
He got plenty of money, bro.
Howard Stern just signed a 5-year contract with Sirius Radio for 100 m's.
Howard Stern bringing people though.
Lil Wayne ain't Howard Stern level.
I don't fuck with Lil Wayne no more like that. I listen to No Ceilings.
Dang. Dang.
Not no more, bro. For what?
Dang. So is Lil Wayne just realizing that like he's falling off? This is the end.
Lil Wayne's old as fuck. He's realizing that he's getting older.
Jay-Z ain't falling off.
But,
Look at Ye. Ye still popping.
but Ye's doing different shit than what Wayne do. It
Yeah.
gets old sipping fucking lean, smoking weed, talking about the same shit.
Yeah.
Jay-Z's not doing it in a rap game.
Well, one thing I did notice later on that day, it was announced that he pleaded guilty for his gun possession, that he could possibly face up to 10 years
So just
in
stash your
prison.
money, bro.
So yeah, he was. Uh, Another thing that I seen too is that he did it right before Biden's tax plan went into effect. So let's
What
say
does
like the
Trump
taxes
supporting
right
ass get anyway? Fuck that
the
nigga.
taxes right now is 20%. Once Biden's taxes go into effect, it'll probably be like 40%.
Yeah. For him,
So
hell yeah, shit.
yeah, so I
Rich ass.
mean, there is a madness, or there is a method to all his madness, but I thought 100 M's was very undervalued by his catalog, because he has a lot of fucking classic songs, albums,
Yeah, but how many get played?
a lot, bro. I would
By the
say
radio?
I say at least 20
On the radio?
on the radio
Where?
everywhere.
No. Lil Wayne not on the radio over here.
No,
What song could be on the radio?
How to Love?
No. Not right
Nah,
now.
Lollipop,
Not right now.
A Millie.
Not right now.
Stop.
It's not on the radio. What you talking about? They don't play that shit over here. They
What else
don't
they
play
got?
Wayne over here. Wayne ain't got nothing new that dropped. No hot shit.
Dang.
He got to steal
Wayne
with that 100 mil.
Wayne on that throwback playlist. Damn. He's
Wayne
on
got to
Throwback
steal, bro.
Thursdays.
Yeah, he got to steal.
Wow. 100 M's. I feel that's still nah. Because if this was Eminem, I feel like this discussion would be different.
Yeah.
Really?
Eminem, no, but I mean, I'll be
You
saying the
think he
same
deserves
shit.
more or less?
No, I think I'll be saying the same shit.
Really?
What Eminem they playing right now? The last time I heard Eminem on the radio was
They had
Rap
that
God.
Godzilla song
I don't know what that is. Never heard
with
it.
him and Juice WRLD.
Never heard it.
Wow, he hasn't really came out with that much.
Rap God was the last one that was on the radio that
Fuck,
I speak
yo.
of.
So it's all about relevancy. Yeah, I wish we had money so we could like worry about these problems, but
Real shit. But we don't, so I don't give a fuck.
soon though. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Dave Chappelle's a bad businessman. Can't say that. Gotta say MJ or the Roni. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But you got anything else to tell the people, bro?
Wash your hands and wash your ass.
Bro, my nose hurts, bro.
Yeah, my ears are on fire, dog. I can't
My
wait.
ears are always on fire. As soon as I get done with this, especially after I edit and shit, I don't gotta keep them on, but still. But yeah, my nose is hurting from this shit. And I'm sorry for Frankie. I don't know what the fuck happened to you.
His Wi-Fi went out.
Yeah, my dog just
He's like,
went out
yo,
of
do y'all
nowhere.
need me?
He was talking that shit too. As soon as your shit disconnected,
For real?
he was like, "Who got
That's what his bitch ass get.
He was like, "Who got the McDonald's Wi-Fi now?"
That's what his bitch ass get.
And his Wi-Fi
Holding
go
his
out.
goddamn mic like this the whole time and shit. Get a stand, nigga.
Like a peasant. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't wait till I get our shit. But
Word.
that's it for the show. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for listening. I hope y'all got something from this podcast today. We went through all of the topics from Vlad TV's not being a snitch, or probably he is a snitch. It depends on how you want to look at it. And Crazy Eyes motherfucking getting tangled and shit. Man, I love Crazy Eyes. That's gonna be my new favorite fighter. So I catch y'all next episode. I want to tell y'all that please be patient with us. We do work a normal job and everything, and I have like 47 hours I put in every week. Ozzy has his jobs that he does. So whenever we do put our material out, we are putting our blood, sweat, and tears into everything. And we barely have any time off. So bear with us these next few weeks. We promise to put our material back on par, but just bear with us. We love y'all. I know y'all gonna ride with us at the end of the day.
Yes,
But
sir.
we got something special coming for y'all. We don't want to announce anything yet until it's official, but episode 50 is gonna be amazing. I can promise you that.
Yeah.
So until next time, we'll catch y'all later. We hope you have a great week. Peace in the Middle East. Let it rain in Spain. We out.
Cowboy Nation.
These podcasts, and we put a smile in that face. We made a laughing. We put a little, what was that? A dent in
What the
that.
fuck are you saying?
What? Are you okay?
Fuck?
A dent in your pussy.
What I'm trying to say is, if you appreciate this podcast, please like the button. Press the like button because it will help us boost our videos into the algorithm so it can brighten more people's day.